not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Sindhu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Which state has the largest fleet of electric buses in India? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. The answer is C, Telangana. The Telangana state has the largest fleet of electric buses in India. For the first time in the country, Telangana State Road Transport Corporation (TSRTC) inaugurated its first fleet of 40 electric buses. And the electric vehicle manufacturer is Olectra BYD has enabled TSRTC to deploy the largest fleet of electric buses by any state transport utility in the country. Of the top 20 most polluted cities in the world, how many cities are located in India? 5, 10, 15 or 20? The answer is C, 15. Of the 20 most polluted cities in the world, almost 15 polluted cities are located in India itself, and Gurugram in Haryana topped the list with an average annual particulate matter quality of 135.8 micrograms per cubic meter in 2018. And among countries, the most polluted country is Bangladesh, followed by Pakistan and India. Who is India's first female mining engineer? Chandrani Prasad, Navjot Kaur, Aarti Saha, Arundhati Roy. Very important, expect a question from this area. The answer is A. Chandrani Prasad is the India's first female mining engineer. Recently, Labour Ministry has announced that an amendment has been effected in the Mines Act of 1952. Remember the year of the act, which allows women to work in underground coal mines and also work night shifts in open cast mines. Now, Chandrani Prasad is currently employed as principal scientist with the Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research in Nagpur. Taniya Bhatia is related to which sport? Cricket, Kabaddi, Badminton, Squash. The answer is A, cricket. Taniya Bhatia was named as one of the 5 breakout stars of 2018 in women's cricket by International Cricket Council (ICC). She used to be the only girl who won to play cricket in Chandigarh, the city which has given some of its finest players like Kapil Dev and Yuvraj Singh. Who was the last Indian to win All England Badminton Championship? PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, Gopichand, Prakash, Padukone. The answer is C, Gopichand. Pullela Gopichand, current chief national coach, was the last Indian to win All England Badminton Championship way back in 2001. All England Championship is one of the world's oldest and most prestigious badminton tournament. In 2019 edition has begun in Birmingham of United Kingdom. It will take place from today itself, from 6th March to 10th March. According to Forbes Ultra Rich list, Mukesh Ambani ranked at which place? 3rd, 5th, 10th or 13th? The answer is D, 13th. According to latest Forbes list of the ultra wealthy, Jeff Bezos of Amazon remains the world's richest person, ahead of Bill Gates, who is the co-founder of Microsoft, and Warren Buffett at 3rd place. Mukesh Ambani of India, chairman of Reliance Industries, is at 13th place. For the first time, pension scheme has been launched for which of the following sector? Unorganized, organized, formal, none of the above. The answer is A, unorganized. Option B and C are the same. For the first time ever, pension scheme has been launched for the unorganized sector in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan Yojana from Ahmedabad. It provides monthly pension of Rs 3,000 to employees of unorganized sector after 60 years of age. Now, in order to get this monthly pension, they need to contribute Rs 55 to 200 rupees per month, and It is estimated that around 42 crores of workers will be benefited from this scheme. The United States announced the withdrawal of special duty benefits available to which country? India, Thailand, Brazil, Indonesia. The answer is A, India. US President Donald Trump has announced that he intends to end preferential trade terms for India under the Generalized System of Preferences program. India, however, says that GSP withdrawal by United States will not have a significant impact on India's exports to United States. You need to know the full form of the GSP program, very important, along with the definition. It sets zero tariffs for certain goods from a set of 121 developing countries to foster the trade and economic development. In 2017, India was the biggest beneficiary of the US GSP program. Let's see the question for the day. According to Forbes magazine, who becomes the youngest self-made billionaire at the age of 21? Mark Zuckerberg, Kylie Jenner, Elle Fanning or Jaden Smith? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following city to host World Teams Chess Championship? The answer is B, Astana, is rightly answered by Ashok Nath Banuth, Lakshman Lucky, Indravadan Solanki and Shaurya Garg. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly and taking your time in replying the answers. Astana is the capital city of Kazakhstan. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.